Welcome to the Explainer. Hey, if you're a freelance web developer and you're just struggling to get your foot in the door, this one is for you. We're about to break down an AI-powered strategy from our source material that completely flips the script on how you land clients, and you can do it all right from your desk.
You've been there, right? I mean, we've all been there. You put in all the work, you've learned the skills, but every single pitch you send out just vanishes. It feels like you're shouting into the void. It's that classic freelancer headache, and it's exactly what we're going to solve today.
So what's the big secret? Well, it's actually a really simple but powerful shift in how you think about it. You need to stop telling potential clients what you can do, and you need to start showing them. This whole strategy is built on leading with undeniable, tangible proof of your value. And this, right here, is the core game-changing idea. Just imagine for a second. Instead of sending another boring email that says, "Hey, I'm a web developer, hire me," you send them a link to a beautiful, functional demo website that you have already built specifically for their business. I mean, just think about the kind of impact that's going to make.
Okay, so this whole thing breaks down into a super simple 4-step playbook. It's incredibly straightforward, anyone can follow it, so let's not waste any time, let's jump right into step 1.
First things first, you got to find businesses that actually need your help. And the answer is so much simpler than you think. It's a tool you probably use every single day. Google Maps.
Seriously, just pop open Google Maps and search for a type of business in a specific area. You know, dentists in Denver or bakeries in Brooklyn. Instantly, you've got this incredible, targeted list of potential clients you can start working with. But here's the real trick. You're not just looking for any business. You're looking for the sweet spot. You want to find a business that has great reviews. You know, they're clearly good at what they do. But, and this is the most important part, they have no website link on their listing. That's your golden ticket right there.
All right, now for the part that feels like magic. Instead of writing up some long, boring proposal, you're going to use the power of AI to build a custom demo website for that business. And the best part? You can do it in just a few minutes.
The process is actually pretty slick. You're going to use a 2-part AI toolkit. Think of it like this. You use one AI to write the instructions, and then you give those instructions to a second AI to do the actual building.
So first, you head over to ChatGPT. You just tell it to write a prompt for an AI website builder, give it the business's name, and describe the kind of site you want. The source material does mention to keep it under 700 characters for the recommended tool, so just a little heads up on that.
Then, you literally just copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave you, and you paste it into an AI website builder. The source we're looking at recommends Hostinger for this. You hit go, and that's it. The AI takes over and starts building the site for you. Now, the source material points out that you should think of this as a business investment, not just a cost. And the logic is pretty sound. With a single plan, you get the ability to create dozens and dozens of demo sites for clients, which makes your entire outreach process scalable right from the get-go.
And just like that, boom. It's pretty amazing. No coding, no designing for hours on end. In just a few seconds, you have a professional, mobile-friendly, totally custom demo site sitting on a temporary link ready to share.
Okay, so you found a lead. You built them an awesome demo site. Now it's time to put together a pitch that they literally cannot ignore.
This really is a night and day difference in your outreach. I mean, think about it. You're going from being just another stranger asking for a job to being a problem solver who shows up with the solution already built. It completely changes the conversation.
So it's time to deliver the final blow. You're going to go back to ChatGPT one more time to write your pitch, and you're going to give it the single most important piece of information, that temporary URL to the demo site you just created. That's the key to the whole thing. What you get back is a pitch that's incredibly smart. It's professional, it's strategic. It starts by explaining why a website is so important for their business, and then it smoothly pivots to reveal your demo as the perfect, no-risk solution.
And this brings us to the final part, which is sending that pitch and getting the client. The reason this works so incredibly well, it all comes down to a really powerful psychological advantage.
Seriously, just put yourself in the client's shoes for a second. A stranger just sent you a gift, a beautiful website, custom built just for you, with absolutely zero risk or commitment on your part. You've already proven you're skilled, you're dedicated. It builds instant trust and makes saying yes a whole lot easier for them. And there you have it. That's the entire playbook, from start to finish, from finding that perfect lead to closing the deal. So really, the only question left is, what business are you going to build a website for first?